This 2013 Forest River XLR Thunderbolt AMP-12 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Perry, Iowa, 50220 and is offered for sale by McKee RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 40 feet 0 inches in length and features a Kahlua, absolute carbon, Bourb interior, sleeps 5, Slideout, and 162 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front bedroom, kitchen island, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped dinette. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.